We are back. Prachi and Swar from Kangaroo Kids PSY2 are back for you all. Today, Swar will be doing a new activity for you all. Farm animal dominoes with the help of these toys. Farm animal toys. Today, he will go for the matching of farm animals. He will take one by one farm animal and do the matching of them. Okay, let's check into the video how Swar will be performing the things. Okay, Swar, you will take one farm animal from the tray and name them. Okay, and take another one and make the pair. Okay, let me give you one example. Cow. Now where is cow? Search. Cow. What we call baby of a cow? Calf. Okay, so you will be doing like this. Okay. Okay, take one. Okay, first cow. Cow. Tell me the name of the cow baby. Calf. Keep it here. Okay, very good. Now take pig. Where is pig? Yes. And where is the baby of pig? Search. Oh wow, it's a small one. And pig के baby को क्या कहते हैं हम? Piglet. Yes. Now take fish. Big fish. Yes. Keep it. आपको पता है फार्म में जो पॉन्ड होता है ना उसमें फिश रहती है. I got it. Now second one. Yes. Keep it here. Yes. Now take dog. Yes, dog. Search dog. Where is dog? Dog. No, don't do this. Search dog. Yes. Now search baby of your dog. And what you call this? Baby of the dog? Puppy. Yes. Now search goat. Yes. Where's the second goat? Yes. Very good. Now search duck. Yes, it's a small duck. Where's the big duck? Yes. अच्छा duck के बेबी को हम क्या कहते हैं? Yes, duckling. Okay, search sheep. Very good. Now second sheep. Very good. Now horse. Keep it here properly. Yes, very good. Horse. Search horse. Wow, where is horse? Where are you going to keep it? Yes. And second horse. Wow. Big horse. No, ये वाला big है, small है. Okay. Now hen. Hen. यहाँ पे रखेंगे ना hen. Keep it here. अच्छा hen के बेबी को हम क्या कहते हैं? Chicken. Okay, now we'll remove this tray. Okay. This is also a duck. You keep it there. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to name them again for you all. Okay, Swar. Now name them. Pig, cow, fish, horse, dog, goat, sheep, duck, hen. Wow, it's the real one farm animal dominoes. Okay, in this activity, you can easily go ahead with the name of farm animals babies, their homes. You can add the counting in this. You can take the color concept in this, and you can say the matching of farm animals like big one and the small one. You can take the big and small concept also in this activity. Okay, so see you tomorrow with new activities. Do subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Please share this video and do thumbs up and likes. Okay, then Swar and me will back. Okay, bye.